Welcome to Tennis Network. Myself Singh Sangeeta, and today we are at the vibrant venue of India Expo Center and Mart, where the 59th IHGF Delhi Fair Spring 2025 is being organized by EPCH. This grand fair is a significant initiative to provide a global platform to Indian handicrafts buyers, artisans and entrepreneurs from across the world. We have with us CP Sharma ji from Garud Fab Home Textile Products. Thank you, sir, for joining us. So please tell us about your products you are showcasing here today.
See, mainly we are showcasing here handmade and machine-made bedspread that we started our company in 1991 in Noida. We are in Noida and Panipat, and we have one small factory in Delhi also. So our specialization is in bedding items. So that we have started in 1991, and we are to compete our product. We are manufacturing in machine quilting, automatic quilting with a single needle quilting and embroidered machine, so that we can reduce our price, because our objective is to increase the volume from India, and the business may come from China to India. That is our objective. That's why we want to move towards the production item. So that's why we are displaying here only the machine quilting product. These are the cotton, velvet, pure cotton, micro, polyester and other different fabrics we are using. And the filling also we are using polyfill, pure cotton. As per the customized buyer's demands, we can fill the cotton also. All different sizes, single bed, double bed, babies, pillow cover, matching cushion cover, all the bedding stories we are doing here. All the dyings are eco-friendly dyeing, which cannot affect any of the skin. That's why we are displaying here all the export quality fabrics only.
So what makes your products unique and different in global handicraft market?
That is only add-on work, because with the quilting we are doing embroidered also. With the different fabric, with the different threads, we are using embroidered and quilting, so that the designs can come up in the front. That's why our designs are very special, and we are giving good competition to China peoples.
So could you please share which countries have shown more interest in your products?
Mainly we are exporting in France, Belgium, Spain, Italy, but now we are getting good chance to export in US also, because EPCH is given us good opportunity here to participate in April fair, because there is a tariff war, tariff issues, and India have the great opportunity here. So there is many US buyers and US buying agents are coming to make the inquiries, because first stage is always inquiry. We are matching our price, we are matching our sizes, we are matching our quantities. So definitely this fair will be very useful for all the participants, not only for us but other different participants. All people are very happy.
Sir, how has EPCH supported or promoted your brand and products both in India and globally?
See, EPCH is our council. We are thankful to our EPCH, because EPCH working is I think I should say EPCH is the best council within the 16 council in India, because they have the very good strategy of working. They have the marketing idea to whom they should call, to which country they should call. They are calling to the buyers. They are creating very good atmosphere. If you start from the entrance, you can see they are creating very good color concept, so that they can attract to the buyers. Inside also they are giving very good colors combination designs, so that here we are getting good chance, because if their products are good, if the place where we are displaying our product that is good, because they have given all the facility here. Here we have the 5-star hotels, here we have all the buyers lounge, here we have all the facility of the travel. So it's very easy, very good area, Greater Noida, and it's now very old and biggest fairground. So we feel that EPCH is helping to all the exporters, and EPCH is giving very good opportunity. And as per our Modi ji vision, the third best economy, EPCH playing a very good role.
Thank you so much, sir, for talking with 10 News. You can see how beautifully the embroidery works have done on these products in Garud Fabs.